Oh my god, what if the bugs are there? I don't like this. What if the bug is right below me? Oh my god, I'm so freaking scared, guys. In order to understand what is going on here, we need to go back to the beginning. It all started on an ordinary day working on Hypatia, when a thought struck me like lightning. I'm kind of thinking of taking a break from my game and doing a little bit of Godot. So I had no game plan before going into this. For every decision in this game, I would run my brain motor as fast as it would go, and the first thing that popped in was chosen. So I came up with a main character, popped in a tile set, added climb and dash, took a break. 1 second guys, I gotta go to the bathroom, be right back. Animated everything, and then called it a day. The next day, when I woke up, something amazing happened. Someone went to the GitHub page, probably laughed at the code because in the morning it was squeaky clean. It was actually someone who had popped in the stream while I was working on it, and I haven't had the pleasure of seeing him since, so if you watch this video, thank you! In the evening, the night before, and in the morning, I could not stop thinking about Godot. It was on this day that I made the decision that I would only work on this game for 3 days and then I would release it to itch. So on this day, I did the UI for the main menu, I worked on the wall jump, and added a ferocious enemy. Damn it, Debbie, you played the wrong sound bit. Ferocious enemy. And created a nice song. And I called it a day. Next day, I was pumped and determined to finish this bad boy up, and I popped on the stream and it was time to go. So on the last day, I put level 2, a lever to end each level, some sound effects, a timer and a score, and an end screen. I knew I had to finish the game because I was going crazy, so towards the end, all that was left was to playtest it. Which brings us to the present day. So I playtested through the game for the first time, rage quit through it, and finally exported it to itch, which was mega easy on Godot. I got home super late, but I slept like a rock, happy with my accomplishments. Until I woke up the next morning.
I couldn't switch the lever.
Oh my god, how stupid can I be? I let everyone down, my mom, my fans, my dog. I just couldn't take the shame. So the issue was I forgot to add the UI, letting the player know how to pull the lever. So while I was adding the lever UI on stream, people were playing my game and shouting more complaints.
The sound is burning my ears!
Me want coyote jump. My name is Peter Parker and I like pancakes.
I didn't know what coyote jump was, so I've had to figure it out. In short, it's just a hack so that you get an extra couple microseconds where the player registers a floor so that you're able to jump. After I finished the 3 tweaks, I re-exported the game to itch and vowed never to return again. This was my first time making a game in Godot. It was amazing how easy everything was and how little friction I faced. It was also an important experience to finish a game, release it, hear feedback, and correct it. This is something I hadn't done in all the 8 months of development on Hypatia. Feedback is so important, and it's an integral step in game development. It's better to get feedback sooner than later. Another thing I'd like to mention is following tutorials can only get you so far with a game engine. Before Jumpity Doodah, I had done 2 tutorials that I hadn't finished in Godot. But nothing beats doing something all on your own. So try it out. Make a small game and finish it. Post it and share it. I'd love to play your games. Send it on the Discord or during the stream. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you got something out of this. Peace.